Hi, today I'm going to make this really pretty envelope made with quilling. Very easy to make and really pretty. Materials I'm using are an envelope, a quilling tool, and these are quilling strips. So first I've taken a yellow strip and just put the tool through. So depending how big you want to make, and then just apply some glue at the end and stick it. So you'll get a little circular center like this. Then I've taken half of a strip of pink color, and again I'm going to put the tool through. And then just loosen it up a bit. Apply glue at the end and stick it. And while you're sticking it, just press it on one end so you get this teardrop shape, like so. So similarly, I've made leaves and pressed them on both sides. So now I'll start placing them. So these are the centers I've made already. So first I'll just put a dot. So I'll just sort of curve this petal a bit, like this. So I made these petals in different sizes also, so take a slightly smaller one. Like this. And then maybe put a dot here. I'm just curving the side petals. Like this. So I'll make flowers like this at random. So I've made a few flowers. I'm going to make some more, but before that I'm just going to put the stem and the leaves so that I know where the other flowers are going to be. So sort of just measure. I'm going to curve it like this. And stick this. Like this. And similarly I'll put the other stems. Now I'll just put some leaves also. So start from here. This is a bigger size. Perhaps one big leaf here. And one slightly smaller leaf here. Like so. So similarly I'll put the stems and the leaves on this. And this is how it's going to look after it's finished. A very pretty envelope with flowers.